Kia ora te whānau, nō mai hoki mai. Now what are you going to do with all those crypto profits? Well, there's only so many things that you can do and stay anonymous, right? So I've been using a crypto debit card with an offshore bank account for 2 years, and I love it. And I've used it in Europe, Asia, Australasia. You can use it wherever you want. I'm currently in the US. I can even get my groceries with it down at the supermarket. Now, the original one, if you actually watch this video, this was when I had the original card from this. And this video here, you can see that I went down and I tested it and used it in an ATM and did all that. So since then, just recently, I've actually got my new card, which is this one here. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it and the benefits of it. Now, it's been battle tested. Like I said, I've been using it for 2 years. And it's the only crypto debit card that I use. And the reason for that, the main reason, is that it's not actually connected to a crypto merchant bank or anything that's subject to regulation. This is actually a debit card attached to an actual bank account. But it just has the option for you to load crypto on it and get rid of your crypto and then turn it into cash on the card. And that's why I like it, because it's not privy to regulation. So if you look on the screen, this is just in the dashboard. You can see I've got 617 on the card. It's really simple to use. Once you've obviously signed up and got your card, then you can deposit Bitcoin, Solana, Tether, and USDC. Now on Tether, you can deposit, let me have a look, see if I can show you here. You can select the network and you've got all these different ones. So you've got Ethereum, Tron, and BNB. You can also buy crypto on here, and you can also do a collateral loan as well if you wanted to take advantage of that service. But it's really simple to use, and the loading of the card is real simple. All you do is you deposit your preferred crypto and it will show up here, and then you sell it. See, you've got the option to sell it. So you'll sell it and it'll give you your US dollar amount right here. And then you just simply click on load once you have it. And then you can put in the amount and you can load the card. And it loads within 24 hours. It's actually less than that. If you do it at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, I'm in California. If you do it at that, it's usually done within 2 hours. So that's when I usually do it. So you can do a delayed load and then you've got no fee. If you do a standard load, it's 1% fee. But it's that simple. So if you want to know more and you want to get your hands on this, you can join my school group. It's completely free. I'll show you here. It's completely free, and we've got over 500 members, all cool people. We talk about crypto security and everything. It's a free group. So you can simply scan the QR code on the screen right now, which will take you and you can sign up. Just remember to put something in for your bio. A lot of people get stuck on that, just so you can join up. Makes it easier. And I'll also leave a link to the school group in the video description here. So I just want to do that quick video because I know that a lot of people are going to be looking to off-ramp their crypto now that the price is going to go ballistic and probably go a lot further. Trump's in, and so everything can change now. So anyway, I just want to do that quick video. It's an amazing option to off-ramp your crypto. And there's a lot more things that I can tell you, but I can't mention them on this video. I can tell you some more privacy functions and all that sort of side of it once you're in the group. All the information for this is in the group as well. Kia kaha, stay strong, have yourself an amazing day, and the crypto market is looking awesome. Catch you next time.